you give regularly to Excel Church, then we'd ask you to consider doing a couple of things. First of all, why not set up a standing order? That means any money you give on a regular basis will go straight from your bank account into churches. Simple as that. The other thing is, if you are a UK taxpayer, then please sign up for Gift Aid. It's dead simple. All you have to do is fill in the form once, and then 25 pence of every pound you give, we can claim back from the government. Doesn't cost you a penny. So get your forms for those from the Welcome team, and also if you Gift Aid, please make sure you put your money in envelopes into the offering basket so we can claim the Gift Aid back on that money.
With fire that can't be stopped.
Young adults, you're invited to join us for the next Alive Curry Night, which is going to be on Tuesday the 6th of February at 7 p.m. So if you class yourself as a young adult and you love curry, then please speak to Will for more information about that.
The king is here. Shout it out for the hope we
This Saturday, the 3rd of Feb, we've got a special event with guest speaker Barry Woodward. We encourage you to invite people along to hear Barry's powerful testimony of how his life was transformed by the power of Jesus and he was released from drug addiction. The event starts at 6:30 p.m. and there's going to be a full kids programme for 3 to 11-year-olds. So get inviting your friends to hear the story of Barry Woodward this Saturday, the 3rd of Feb.
The king is here. Oh, shout it out for the hope we found. For the king is here. The king is here.
Remember to use our website for all the latest information about what's coming up here at Excel Church, and you can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram for all the really up-to-date stuff. So that's everything for Excel News. We hope you have a fantastic week and we'll see you back next Sunday for some more.